What do you see as the benefits to an organisation who've actually adopted SASE architecture?
There's a couple of key features that combined solution will allow them. One is flexibility around how their connectivity is built. Flexibility around whether they use 4G, 5G, internet, satellite, MPLS, whatever. So there's flexibility around how they build the sites out based on their own business requirements. And also local restrictions in terms of a mining company may not have internet access by a line. It could be satellite or 4G at a push. The cloud security aspect has real value for people because in effect you're saying, I no longer have a boundary to my security. I no longer have the situation where if I'm in the office, I'm secured because there's some firewalls sat there. But the moment I walk outside and sit in Costa, I'm potentially at risk. This allows you to, in effect, say that the boundary for security around your organisation is just as elastic as the organisation itself. So there's a number of benefits around that, and then there's visibility you can drive out of it. You can see all the things. And then fundamentally, one of the main tenets of SD-WAN is centralised management. One of the main tenets of Secure Service Edge is centralised management. So you're fundamentally consolidating tools down to give you a single point where you can say, here's what's going on in my network. A single point you can kind of say, here's what's going on with my users from a security perspective. Now, sometimes that can be the same portal, sometimes that can be a number of them. There are merits in both ways. But what you're looking at is the ability to deploy sites consistently. So the build for a location is consistent. Your policies for your security is consistent. So once you define things well, you can apply it globally. So whenever you're looking at an SD-WAN or an SSE engagement from our perspective, the workshops and the design piece are the absolutely critical piece because it's about fundamentally burying in and understanding what the main challenges are, because the design bit, once you design it properly and get the policies right, the deployment is a case of next site out and new users can join and it's all fairly fluid. Once you get that initial policy and the design correct, you can apply changes globally. You can apply a new user group globally. It's the change you can apply is very, very swift. So it allows you to be more agile as a business.